Guys, forget money for a second, forget social media for a second, forget everything that you think you're missing out on for a second. Quantum physics is the biggest mystery in the fucking world. It's the biggest mystery. Nobody knows what quantum physics is. Nobody knows why in the double slit experiment, if observed, particles behave like this, and if unobserved, they behave like that. Nobody knows what it means if the Copenhagen interpretation or the many worlds theory are true. What if there are parallel universes? What would that mean? Let's say you die in an accident. I hope it never happens, but let's say in a scenario it happens. But there's many worlds of you. You live in many universes, multiverses, whatever, all with the exact same memory so far. And in that branch of reality you decided to turn left and you survived, and in that branch of reality you decided to turn right and you didn't survive. And at that moment maybe reality was split into branches, and the version that died stopped existing, the version that survived continued to live and to be able to remember to live. What I'm trying to say is, you have always been here, surviving, going up. Every time, everything that happened so far, you always survived. And if the many worlds series is true, there could be many branches where you died and stopped existing, but you don't remember. How could you remember? Because if you died in that universe, in that dimension, whatever, you cannot remember that you're living anymore. You cannot remember that you die. You don't have access to your brain, to your memory. I think about this a lot because I had many near-death experiences where I thought, this is too unbelievable that I survived that. Like in traffic and car stuff, and that's why I think the quantum immortality theory is so fucking interesting. It's so fucking interesting. If anything can happen, it might happen. I know it's fucking crazy.